Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I am so excited to show you how I make my version of homemade roasted curry powder. The most requested video is a homemade curry powder, and this is Mauritian style curry powder. And for the ingredient, we are using a lot of coriander seeds, cumin seeds. These are going to roast together, so I leave them in one plate. And then we need some mustard seeds, we need some turmeric powder, and this is dry crushed chilies. You can use whole dry chilies if you don't have the crushed one, but here in Canada we have this like almost everywhere. It's very common. So instead of using the whole dry chilies for curry powder, I'm just gonna use a crushed one. It is going to do the same thing, and this is just for the spicy one. If you want a mild curry powder, then you don't need to add chili. Just ignore the chili and keep the rest. So we have to go to the stove so we can get started. So I'm using a non-stick pan and over medium to low heat. So first thing, I'm gonna add coriander and cumin seeds together. And this is going to roast first, and then I'm gonna add the rest. So stirring time to time. After 10 minutes, now the spices are fragrant. And now I'm gonna add mustard seeds. And then I'm gonna give it about 2 minutes. All right, looking good. And now it's time to add the chilies. If you're using whole dry chilies, then add it earlier, like when the time you are adding the mustard seeds. And now we're gonna give this another 2 more minutes. And now the spices are already roasted. You can see I didn't let it go like brown color, golden color, pink color. It just has to change color a little bit. Turn your heat off, and then you're gonna let these spices cool completely. Our spices are ready to go. It is cool, and my machine is ready over here to go grind. And now I'm gonna add the turmeric, and this is going to blend together. So I'm just gonna add half. So the turmeric you're gonna need is between 1 to 2 tablespoons for the amount of the recipes that I'm gonna give you, which is written down below in the description box. And now we are going to blend this. Smell is already so good in here. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. Our homemade curry powder, roasted curry powder. I'm gonna do the second batch, and this is our second batch. All right. And guys, this has to stay cool. Before you put them in a jar, you have to let it be like on a tray. Lay down one layer on your tray, plate or anything, and let it get some fresh air. Let it get cool completely, like cool completely, because obviously when you blend stuff, it by the machine it gets warm a little bit. So we are not going to put this in a jar to tide it up. And this curry powder can last you a year and a half in a jar, so you can make a big batch. Just repeat the amount that I give you. Like example, if I give you 1 cup, you can just do 2 cups and make a big batch, and you just can keep it in a jar in your pantry. My curry powder has been cooled completely, and I have already set it in a jar and ready to go. And this is going to last me a year to a year and a half. And that's it. Simple, easy, homemade roasted curry powder. The most recipe that was requested by you guys, and today you have it. And I hope you're gonna try it, you're gonna make it, and I know, guarantee that you are going to love this recipe. Click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, like the videos, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.